something bigger. Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. Got another rack or something or other to put together from Amazon. Thought I'd bring you along. Let's go take a look. So it's a pretty big one. I will set you up here and open it up and we'll figure it out together. Alright, got you over here on the tailgate, so we got a... that's kind of weird, huh? Let's see what we got here. Open sesame. Uh-oh. Got bolts. Let me do this thingy here, this thingy there. Cut it that way, cut it that way. And we'll put it back up in there. Because, you know, my truck is a portable workstation. Alright, like they say, parts is parts. There's a bag of bolts. What do they used to call them old cars? Bucket of bolts. Isn't it it's a bucket of bolts. I remember my dad saying stuff like that. These must be legs. All the bolts fell out. Alright, let me get you set up in the garage here and we'll take everything out and see if there's any destructions in there. Alright, what we got is two racks. They're 6 foot tall. And 2 racks. Not 2 hacks, 2 racks. And then we got the legs. And no destructions. So I believe they just go on the side there and a nut and bolt, well, a nut and bolt goes through the hole there. I'll show you in a minute here. I did go look at a picture. So pretty simple. With these flimsy little nuts and bolts here and washers. And then we got the feet. The feet goes in there. Alright. Let me get you set up here again. Man, they should be bigger bolts. I guess they can't because they go through here. Man, that's wild. I don't like that at all, dude. Dude. That's pretty flimsy. Pretty flimsy. Let's put it together. I can always change these bolts. I don't like them. I'm going to have to get something bigger. See what happens. I don't know who designed this one. Wasn't me. Let me show you. So they have these little tiny bolts in there. There's a whole lot of slop. Doesn't fit in the hole very well. I'm not digging that at all. But let me see what I come up with. Hang on. I don't know if you can see the little orange mark there, but I marked where the screws are. Up here too. And then I got a screwdriver in here. Let me show you. I put a screwdriver in here and a wrench. And then I just opened it up just a little bit. To get that. I got newer bolts, but they're a little thicker. Show you. But they're a little bit bigger of a bolt. So once I open that up, they slide right in there, and you can barely tell I opened it up. But let's see how that works. All right, here we go. It's in there real nice. And plus they're not as long. One of them sticking out in there. Yeehaw! Man, I did it. Buck did it! How about that? So there you are. Nice, and they're not as sloppy either anymore. And I still have a little adjustment too. But there we go. Right in there. Lock nuts. Cool beans, yo. I don't know if you can see that or not. There you go. Alright, check it out. They made it a little easier on me. Got a little Phillips here. Haha! I don't have to go crazy trying to turn it all the way in with my fingers. Hee hee hee. Ah, boy. I got these yet, too. Alright. Somebody was thinking. But they weren't thinking about them bolts. I'm telling you, I don't know. Alright, let's tighten these other ones up. See where we ended up here. I want to come up just a hair. It's right about there, I think. Okay. Yes. That's it. I'll do the other side and let you know how it happened, how well it went, and then. Okay, I got my orange marker, and this up on here. Put a little mark. I guess you can't see if I do it that way. I'll just put a little mark here, and a little mark there, and we can do some bending. Here we go. Where are we at? Right here. One more time. I can hear the powder coating crack. Alrighty then, let's see, did I get it? Yep. Yep. Cruising for a bruising. Alright. This should do it here. I'll lift this up just a hair. Yes, sirree, Bob. How'd we do? The spin doctor. Oh, look at that. Kind of weird. Not straight. Maybe I need to do a little bending. There we go. You get to hang your stuff on here. You know, all those thingies over there. Here, let's hang one. See what it looks like. Oh, there we go. You want to buy a sign? How about buy a sign? Okay. Now, the other one's going to be the same thing. I'll mark it, bend it, and tighten her up. And we'll have two different racks to hang stuff on. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the little bell. There it is. And be good. Can't be good, be kind. See ya.